Today I'm going to walk you through the complete process for exporting your data from ClickUp. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to safely and efficiently download all your workspace information, whether you're backing up your files, sharing data, or just keeping organized. So let's dive right in. First things first, let's get into your ClickUp workspace. Go ahead and log in just like you normally would. I recommend starting from the home dashboard because this makes navigation smoother, especially if you're working across multiple spaces or accounts. Once you're in, pay attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon there. It might be a picture, some initials, or even a custom avatar, depending on how you've set things up. Click on that profile icon to open up a drop-down menu. This menu is your main hub for all the personal settings and account options. Now, from this drop-down, look for Settings and give it a click. If you're new to ClickUp, the Settings page might look a little overwhelming, but don't worry. We're only going to focus on one section today, and I'll guide you there step by step. Take a look at the left side of your screen. Here you'll see a vertical menu filled with different configuration options. Scroll down until you spot the Import-Export section. It can be tucked away a bit, so if it's the first time you're seeing it, just take a second to focus on the labels. Click Import-Export to enter the area where all the magical data movements happen. Once inside, you'll find a button or link labeled Export Items. This is what we're aiming for. Exporting items means you're packaging up all the data you've stored in that workspace, tasks, lists, folders, whatever you need. Click on Export Items, and you'll be prompted to choose which workspace to export from. If you're working with multiple workspaces, say one for your personal projects and another for your business, make sure you select the right one here. It's an easy step to overlook, so take a breath and double check. After selecting your workspace, find the button labeled Start Export and click it. This part might take a few moments, especially if you have a large amount of data. Don't worry if it seems to be loading for a little while. Let ClickUp work its magic. Imagine it like packing up a suitcase. ClickUp is gathering all your files and tasks neatly into a downloadable package. When it's done, you'll notice a new option. Download Export. Go ahead and click this. Your computer will now prompt you to choose a folder or location to save the exported data file. Think about where you'd like to keep it. Maybe it's your desktop for quick access or a specific backups folder if you're extra organized. Select your folder and hit Save. It's as simple as that. And just like that, you've successfully exported your ClickUp data. Whether you're backing things up for extra peace of mind or prepping for a big team migration, you've now got your workspace info safe and sound on your computer. If you found this guide helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. I'd love to hear your questions or experiences down in the comments, so don't be shy. And if you want more tutorials like this, full clear walkthroughs for your favorite productivity tools, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.